Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get exotic lobster. We'll explore what makes certain lobsters stand out, where to find them easily, and how to prepare them for a truly special meal. You'll learn about their unique characteristics and the best ways to source them, ensuring a delightful and memorable dining experience. Get ready to elevate your seafood game with these simple tips. What truly defines an exotic lobster? It's often their striking appearance, like brilliant blue or red hues, and their unique origins from specific, pristine waters. Beyond looks, these lobsters can boast a more refined or intense flavor compared to common varieties. Their texture might also be different, offering a firmer or more tender bite, making them a sought-after delicacy for connoisseurs. Finding exotic lobster doesn't have to be difficult. Many high-end seafood markets often stock these unique varieties, especially if you call ahead. Online retailers are also a fantastic option, shipping fresh or live lobsters directly to your door. Always choose suppliers known for their sustainable practices to ensure you're getting a quality product responsibly. Pre-ordering can guarantee you get exactly what you want. Once you have your exotic lobster, simple preparation is key to letting its natural flavors shine. Steaming or boiling for a short time is often best. Avoid overpowering seasonings. A touch of melted butter, lemon, or a delicate herb sauce is usually perfect. Remember, the goal is to savor the unique qualities of this special seafood. Enjoy your extraordinary meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.